Skid steer tires, what you need to know before you buy. Skid steer loaders have become one of the hardest working pieces of equipment in the industry. As demands on these machines increase, so do the demands of skid steer tires. Today's machine operators want skid steer tires that are built for their specific application or purpose. At Ken Jones Tires, we stock a huge selection of purpose-built skid steer tires with specific tread designs that will improve machine performance and reduce cost per hour. We offer good, better, and best choices to meet your needs and your budget. Skid steer tires basically break down into a few categories: hard surface, severe service, heavy duty, and standard duty. Our skid steer tire experts are here to help. KenJones.com makes buying skid steer tires online easy. Visit www.kenjones.com.